Hello everyone and welcome back to Mikis Auto Tools. On this channel, I share affiliate marketing strategies and automation techniques to help you build and scale profitable affiliate marketing channels on platforms like TikTok as efficiently as possible. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically generate engagement using our page interaction automation feature. In today and Oppo's video, I and Oppo's LL walk you through how to automatically schedule and publish content across multiple Facebook pages at scale. When you and Oppo's recreating a large volume of videos and managing hundreds of pages, manually posting content is simply too time-consuming. With this feature, you can upload all of your videos and content in advance, schedule them for an entire week or even a month, and the software will automatically publish everything for you, including attaching your affiliate links. Let and Oppo's get started. First, go to the posting section and select the Schedule Posts feature. For the delay between actions, I recommend setting it between 60 and 120 seconds. For the delay between each page posting, I usually set it between 15 and 30 seconds. Next, choose how many posts each page should publish. This depends entirely on your strategy and posting volume. For content sources, you have several options. Use existing content from your content library. Import content from Facebook pages. Import content from Google Sheets. If you choose Facebook, the software can automatically pull content from other pages. If you use Google Sheets, simply import your spreadsheet and the software will automatically post the content for you. If you and Oppo's already created content inside the content management section, simply select it from your library. You will also see options such as allow duplicate content between accounts. If you want every page to have unique content, leave this disabled. If you want all pages to publish the same content, enable it. Allow duplicate content between actions. Personally, I usually keep this disabled to avoid repetitive posting patterns. You can choose whether content is published in random order or sequential order. You may also enable delete media after successful posting. Once the post is published successfully, the media file will automatically be removed from the posting queue. Scheduling is very simple. Just select the date and time, then define the interval between posts. You can schedule posts by minutes, hours, or days. Personally, I often use 1 to 2 minute intervals between posts. Once everything is configured, simply leave the software running and it will automatically publish content according to your schedule. If you use a shared configuration, all pages will post based on the same schedule. If you create separate configurations, each page can publish different content independently. Now let and Oppo's move on to direct page posting. Simply select your accounts and pages. The content setup is similar to scheduling, but this feature allows you to publish immediately. You can define number of posts per day, Facebook posting mode, Business Suite posting mode. Please note, Business Suite mode only supports posts containing images or videos. Text-only posts are not supported. You can also configure keyword tagging. Simply enter keywords and the software will automatically find matching friends or users and tag them in your posts. Most users Don and Oppo's need this feature, but if you and Oppo's remanaging multiple pages and want to tag your main account or specific pages automatically, it can be useful. Another feature is auto comment after posting. After a post is published, the software can automatically leave a comment underneath it. You can type the comment manually or load comments from a folder. For text-only posts, you can also add colorful background styles. Normally, Facebook only allows a background for short text posts. Our software can even publish posts that combine images and colorful text backgrounds, which is difficult to do manually. Next, let and Oppo's talk about group posting. This feature is especially useful for affiliate marketing and traffic generation. For group posting, I recommend setting delays between 120 and 150 seconds. For retries, set the maximum attempts to 20. You can choose content from your content library and publish it directly into Facebook groups. You may use these posts to promote products and include affiliate links inside the post description. The software supports multiple targeting methods. Groups you and Oppos. V already joined. Specific group IDs. Keyword-based group discovery. For example, if you enter keywords such as in quote, fashion and quote, or in quote, home products and quote, the software will automatically find relevant groups and publish your content there. You can choose random or sequential posting. You can also define maximum groups per page, maximum posts per group. Additional options include automatically join groups before posting, automatically comment after posting, prevent duplicate group posting, add colorful backgrounds to text posts. If you and Oppos reusing affiliate marketing, you can also automatically comment beneath your own posts and place additional affiliate links or product recommendations there. Of course, the quality of your content is still the most important factor. Good content generates clicks and conversions. Now let and Oppos move to video posting. For video posting, I recommend delays of 60 to 120 seconds, or even up to 150 seconds. Personally, I usually publish only 1 to 2 videos per page per day. The post status check setting is very important. After uploading a video, the software needs time to verify whether the post has been approved successfully. I typically set this to 60 seconds. You can also tag accounts inside videos. Simply select the account you want to tag and import a list of users or friends. The software can scan your friend list and automatically tag them. For post-publish engagement, the software can automatically, like the video, react to the video, leave comments, avoid duplicate comments. Simply enter your comment templates, 1 per line. For video configuration, you can choose shared configuration for all accounts, separate configuration for each account. Since most users build niche-specific pages, I recommend using separate configurations. You can also decide whether videos are posted through Facebook or Business Suite. After posting successfully, you may delete the video, move it to a and quote, posted and quote, folder. Personally, I prefer moving videos to a posted folder for easier management. The software also allows you to schedule video publishing exactly like post scheduling. Next is live streaming. You can configure live stream automation here. Simply upload your pre-recorded videos and use them as looped live streams. You can configure number of live streams per account, live stream duration, pinned comments, pinned affiliate links. Simply enter your Shopee affiliate link or any URL you and Oppos like to promote. Additional options include delete live stream recordings after completion, broadcast only once, prevent duplicate video streaming, filter viewers by country. You can target live stream visibility to specific countries depending on your audience. Finally, we have story posting. For affiliate marketing on Shopee or TikTok, stories can be extremely effective. Many users regularly browse stories and may accidentally tap your affiliate link or product recommendation. You can upload product images, add affiliate links, and drive additional traffic through stories. The configuration is very similar to the previous modules. You can also view your complete posting history inside the history section. To summarize, the posting module allows you to schedule posts, publish directly to pages, post content to Facebook groups, automatically publish videos, run replay live streams, publish stories. These tools help automate large-scale affiliate marketing operations while saving significant amounts of time. That and Oppos. All for today and Oppos video. If you found this tutorial helpful, Don and Oppos, forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't and Oppos miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I and Oppos see you in the next video.